In the heart of Mistywood Forest lived Sir Snuffle, a dragon with the biggest, tickliest nose in the land. Every time Sir Snuffle felt a sneeze coming, the villagers would hurry to cover their heads, not from fire, but from the showers of marshmallows that shot from his nostrils. One bright sunny morning, Sir Snuffle decided to join the annual village picnic. As he approached, his nose began to twitch and wiggle uncontrollably. He pinched his snout, wiggled his whiskers, and even tried humming a tune to stop it. But, Achoo! Marshmallows burst out, raining down on the feast, bouncing off hats, and plopping into lemonade cups. The children laughed and cheered, quickly gathering the fluffy treats to build marshmallow castles and share with friends. The wise old owl, Professor Hoot, perched nearby and said, "Perhaps your sneezes are not a problem, but a wonderful gift, Sir Snuffle." Delighted by this idea, Sir Snuffle happily became the official marshmallow dragon, bringing sweet surprises and laughter to every celebration. From that day on, no party was complete without a joyful sneeze and a sprinkle of sugary wonder, and Sir Snuffle finally felt proud of his ticklish magical nose.